Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change the screen color on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do to change the screen color on your iPhone is press and hold the home screen. Locate and click on edit at top left. Locate and click on customize. Now first you can select dark mode to change from light to dark. And if you want to set up a customized screen color for your iPhone, come here and click on tinted. Now you can use a combination of colors like this to customize your iPhone screen color. You can click on the edit button at the top right of the customization page and then select your color grade. So if you have maybe like this, click on it and then you should see it like that. So you can just use this color tinted combination to easily customize your iPhone screen color. And once you're done, click outside. If you want to revert back to the normal color, press and hold the screen, click on edit, click on customize, then you can either come back to dark or select light, and that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.